My good people, thank Baba God, Baba God allow see another day, another new Premier League season just start. And my yarnings today, now about the Manchester United versus Arsenal match. When you finish, so when Arsenal win 1-0. That match, I know lie of the truth. Compared to the Man U of last season, Man U don't really improve. But I just feel saying that defensive midfield, they lack one or two. And that goalkeeper matter. Normally, if they fit get that biting guy, and you go ball well this season. That Cunha, that guy na baller. Of a truth, that guy na baller before, but when I watch him today, I know say yes, that guy na really baller. That guy is very good for that number 10. But on that issue, if you got to play that guy for number 10, and you may say they dropped Fernandez go deeper, I just feel say go see affect Man U, because Man U go got to miss Fernandez goals. That guy scored a lot of important goals for United last season. They'll miss that guy goals. But normally, more come Arsenal. I did online and they see people say Arsenal no play well, Arsenal no play well, Arsenal no play well. Normally, if you don't watch Arsenal over the years for Old Trafford, you go not say normally Arsenal they play well for Old Trafford, but they go lose. You know, go know how it happen. They will lose. But I know when I watch the match Arsenal versus I don't believe they'll hold that lead. I just feel say this match going to 1-1. But I shock. I did impressed with Arsenal. I'm not gonna lie. I just feel say if all the guys are be release ball quick for that first half and the match will end, it will be 2-0. That counter when Arsenal get all the guys get two options. Either you pass the ball, give Gyökeres, or you pass and give Saka. It's just the romance ball based on usual. You understand? Defensively, Arsenal they solid for second half. But for first half, they just gonna make some kind of individual mistake. Maybe say, you understand, you know, expect. I don't really too send about the performance, because for you to go to Trafford, you feel collect 3 points, not be beans. We feel they bounce Man U anyhow with it like, but one thing, Old Trafford, now see Old Trafford. If you go to Trafford collect 3 points, don't be beans. So of the truth, Man U, Arsenal new signings. If you talk about Gyökeres, I not to say too much for the game, but because Arsenal not to involve the guy, and your duty to you to create chance with your striker. Then Zubimendi na just normal Zubimendi boss. Mad okay, based on I never seen the reason why Arsenal send that guy. Normally when you come in, your team they do defensive work. The guy just lazy defensively. See the kind of tackle when they put in. I don't really know why Arsenal really buy that guy. He can't miss that last minute chance to make it 2-0. But all the same, Arsenal still try to turn up. Season just new start. Every point is important now. Now everybody gather they pack their points. No yawasha, my people. Una do.